Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at formatting MS Word, and this MS stands for Microsoft Word. Yes, so we're going to be looking at some stuff. You might just get the computer not too sure about this formatting and all that. So stick around, and then you will see exactly what take place. Right. So the first thing that we want to look at so far is open a blank document. Yeah, because that's what we're going to actually use. All right. So we're going to save it as my project. Alright, then we're going to type out the following. So we're going to type equal RAND, then press enter. You might be saying, what is that? No, this is a physical code. Right, and if you notice a 5 night, it's going to give you some paragraph we're going to actually work with. So at least you're going to learn something new right here. It's a add a paragraph border. Yes. And notice it's add a page border. A paragraph border is different from a page border. Some of you might not familiar with that, but as time progress, then you understand clearly what's the difference between both of them, right? You're going to drop cap all the first letter in all the paragraph, right? So, further ado, let us get started. Very important. Open a blank. You just right click right here on the desktop, right? Right click. If you notice, you go right here to new, just the same, and right here the word document, just the same, right? And as I can see, definitely, it says save it as my project. So definitely what you wanted to do, right click on it, right? You're gonna save it as the project. So you're gonna write project, just like that, press enter and done. That's it. So this is service project. Alright, so the next thing you wanted to do, you're gonna type out the following. Alright, so in order for you to type out the following, you're gonna open the folder. Alright, so when you open the folder, what we're gonna do definitely is this. You're gonna type equal. Alright, let me bring it a little bigger that I can see it and come up. RAND. You're gonna press the shift key and press 9. You get the bracket, right? And then I'm gonna put number 5, press it again, and then I press enter. If you notice, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraph right there so far that you're gonna be working with. Alright, the next instructor right here, see right here now, is to add a paragraph border right here. Alright, so we're gonna do that. Paragraph border, we want to put it here in 3. So we're going to block it first, and when I block it, you notice paragraph. Remember in a paragraph border, so you're going to come right up here, top of the screen, that said paragraph. If you notice this little window right here, I click it, that said border. If you notice, each time you put the cursor upon it, pay attention to your block. Alright, you notice, you're coming down. Notice all border right here, you can press the note two of them. And if you notice, this is called a paragraph border right here. Alright, so the next thing you want now is a page border. So add a simple page border. Alright, so you're gonna do that now. Definitely, you're gonna come right up here and click on your design. Now when you click on design, you're gonna go to your far right. If you notice right here, it's a page background right here. So you notice a page border, you're gonna click on it. Now when you click on it, you bring up this dialog box. You can actually put the cursor upon it and move it up and down. But if you notice this area is a display area. So if you click to show the type of paragraph over here, if you come like this, to show the border right here. If you notice, if you scroll up and click like that, you notice it show the border over here. Just the same, you scroll up again, you show the border. So it show you exactly how the border look like before you put it here on the document. But what if you don't want this? I want some colored border. You can come right down here that said none. You can look up on it right here, notice. You click right here, notice it show up right here. But if you don't want that, you go back again. You can scroll up, look for the one that you choice, that you wanted to use. Alright, so I'm going to use this one. But if you notice the border right here, tick, I want to carry it down. You notice the width right here? So if I come right here, press the down one, I keep pressing it. You notice it getting smaller. I'm gonna click, that's the same. Alright, I carry it down to 11, notice how small it is. So if I come right here and I click OK, you notice how the border is running so far. Yes, we're actually getting somewhere so far. The next thing you want to do is to job cap all the first letter in all the paragraph. Alright, so we're going to do that. You notice we're going to take a time and black the V alone. Notice you black the V alone. Alright, so you're going to come right up here to the top and click on insert. Now when you click on insert, you're going to come all the way down here that said text. You notice? Save here. If you notice this one right here, right, where that right here, job cap, some of them actually mark, depending on the version of where they are. So you're going to click on this little point. If you notice it's a job, notice when I put the cursor right here, just pay attention to the V right here. Notice when I put the point next one, exactly. So this is one you want, you're going to click. Alright, so after that, now you're going to block the two right down here. We should just block a T. Alright, they're going to come right here and they're going to drop it. Just the same. So you want to block all of them. And you do the same thing. Likewise. Yes, and for this one, you're going to do the same thing. Up here. Alright, not that one. Come right here. You click and you drop. So this is exactly how you do formatting right in Microsoft Word. So you know how to drop cap. Because sometimes I open my book, it's the easy one. All them be paragraph, but they never know before it. But it's very important. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.